There are two kinds of people who are watching this video. First kind of people who are not knowing anything about fighting, they will be like, wow, so fancy. Second type of people are a bit experienced, they will say it is bullshit. This is thousands of years old, mother of all martial art. It cannot be just people just bragging about things about Mudra Prayoga. It is real, but not to be practiced by everybody. It is not practical for everybody. It depends on how you practice. If front kick is better for you, go for a front kick. Do a knee kick. That is more effective in a fight, because we are not spending whole lifetime behind practicing the mudra. Okay. Welcome back. Today we are going to talk about a Kalaripayattu kick. It may be new for you, so I'm going to introduce that kick. Otherwise, just revise the kick if you are practicing every day. Right? The kick is somewhat like this, and it almost resembles to the karate mikasugeri. So you are taking your foot like this, but it is not the same application. It can be used like a front kick. It can be used like a heel kick, or more like an axe kick, but inwards. It can be used like a mudra prayogam. There are things like that. So the kick, I'm not saying it is the most powerful kick you can generate from your body, but it is for sure the fastest, one of the fastest and the easiest kick you can do. मतलब आप कितना भी आपका तोंद बाहर है या फिर आपका पैर कितना फ्लेक्सिबल नहीं है, इसमें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. बहुत नेचुरल तरीके से ये वाली किक आपका घुटना उठा के जैसे फ्रंट किक होता है, उसी तरीके से ये किक आप कर सकते हैं और ओपोनेंट के फेस पे. एक्चुअली बेसिकली इस किक में द बेसिक लेवल, बेसिक बिगिनर लेवल में आपको क्या सिखाया जाता है कि इस किक में आपको हील यूज करना है. सो इट इज एक्चुअली गोइंग अप एंड डाउन. सो एक्चुअली इट इज 1 and 2 using the heel of the foot. It lands over here on your jaw. So that can lead to a knockout if done correctly. If not done correctly, don't use it if you are not practicing. Okay, you can go for a front kick or a roundhouse kick. It is easier, I know. For Kalaripayattu, you have to follow it like a lifestyle. Only then you are a Kalaripayattu, a complete martial artist. Because Kalaripayattu is a complete martial arts. It is like a बहुत सारा syllabus है इसमें. तो इसमें आप जैसे बहुत सारा सिलेबस वाला कभी कभी आप सब्जेक्ट अगर उठा ले तो पढ़ने के लिए, तो इसमें क्या होता है, आप एकदम से मास्टर नहीं हो पाते. अगर आप छोटे छोटा बॉक्सिंग, ग्रैपलिंग, किक्स या फिर थ्रोइंग, रेसलिंग, ऐसा ऐसा डिफरेंट छोटे छोटे उसके एस्पेक्ट्स को उठा के स्टडी करना शुरू करते हो तो जल्दी सीख जाओगे. लेकिन बिकॉज कलरी इज अ कंप्लीट मार्शल आर्ट्स, वेपन, मेडिसिन, गाना शायद वो भी है. So everything is there. You have to follow it to understand it. Okay. So let us see what this kick is. It is a kind of technique. It is kind of churkikal. So the kick is nothing but taking the back leg, almost like a front kick. Front kick we do like this. It is a front kick like this. But this one is more easier. You just lift your leg as high as possible, almost like an axe kick. You just lift it up, and from there, if this is my foot like this, it twists around like this. See? The foot goes like this. So almost it is going like this. Can you see that? So it is 1. See that? It may look fancy, it may look odd, but it is practical if done correctly, because you can easily penetrate through anybody's guard. Okay. So if you know how to use it, it is good. So again, just lift, extend your foot, and then just twist it around so that it takes this shape. And from there, you come down. It is almost like a triangle that you go like this. This is the first line, and you bring it down and then pull it back. That is 1 and 2 and 3. I'm not very flexible. Can you see that? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So it is 1, twist, 2 and 3. See that? That means I am taking my foot somewhere near your face over here, bringing down with the heel, kind of hitting over here, and then pulling back so that you cannot catch my leg. All kicks have to be pulled back. You don't kick and drop it down. Otherwise, your leg can be catched and you will be facing a takedown or something like that in a real fight. So just kick and pull back. Pull back is more important than the kick. जैसे किक ऊपर जाती है उसी स्पीड में नीचे आनी चाहिए. सो मतलब सीधा लिया, पैर को ऐसे ट्विस्ट किया, पैर की हील से नीचे की तरफ आपने ट्रायंगल बनाते हुए 1, 2 and 3. So 1, 2 and 3. If this is the face, many different applications of this kick. This can be used like a front kick. अगर आपके पास उतना स्पेस नहीं है ओपोनेंट के फेस को क्रॉस करने का, don't worry, you can improvise in mid air, do a front kick. It can be done like a mudra prayogam also. Okay, there is a mudra of the feet. You use your leg like this using the thumb. Can you see this? Okay, it may look very fancy, but there are points in your body where if you touch using the mudra and you exert a very minimum amount of power, it can actually cause a very dangerous effect, or it can actually break the system. It can actually bring your opponent down. Okay, many people are thinking like there are two kinds of people who are watching this video. First kind of people who are not knowing anything about fighting, they will be like, wow, so fancy. Second type of people are a bit experienced, they will say it is bullshit. Okay, I agree with you. This is not a very practical way, that there is a point somewhere on your throat. I am not going to disclose the point. Somewhere on your throat, to hit using the toe of the foot to somebody's throat, you have to practice it almost like full lifetime. For me, if I want to kick somebody, I will go for a front kick or a roundhouse kick, because I am not confident enough with this thing landing correctly on that point. If it lands correct, if this is 100 years ago, 100 saal pehle, we live in a forest and we are practicing Kalaripayattu a traditional way, and I am a master of medicine, I am master of the human body, I can tell what are the secrets, I am a doctor, I am a Kalaripayattu, just like the fighters of Kalaripayattu used to be. If that is the scenario, if that is my level of practice and dedication, I can do it. But I am not confident enough to use my toe and put it somewhere in the point. Most probably it will miss. Okay, but arts like Kalaripayattu are almost like yoga. जैसे योगा में आपको full body पे control मिलता है, you will get control, so that maybe you can kick on somebody's eyebrow. See, I'm talking about body control. The more you practice, the more these things become practical. This is thousands of years old, mother of all martial art. It cannot be just people just bragging about things about mudra prayoga. It is real, but not to be practiced by everybody. It is not practical for everybody. It depends on how you practice. If front kick is better for you, go for a front kick. Do a knee kick. That is more effective in a fight, because we are not spending whole lifetime behind practicing the mudra. Okay, so just giving an introduction of how deep the science is. It is almost a science. Okay, तो मतलब इतनी चीजें practice करने को है इसमें, ठीक है? मतलब बस. So that's all for today. I hope you will practice this new kick. If it is new for you, you will practice. और क्या बोलते हैं, हमारा कराटे टीवी की online classes, it is rooted in the martial art system of karate. It is already started. उसकी भी link मैं description में डाल दूंगा. If you want to join Karate TV online class, the link is in description. If you want to join our close community, community. If you want to join Karate TV Club, the link is in description. And we have started an initiative called as Namo Shakti. It is for empowering the girls, teaching girls and ladies self-defense.
हाँ, ये एक चीज़ मैं बताना भूल गया था. इट विल बी टॉट फॉर फ्री. सेल्फ डिफेंस फॉर लेडीज इज फ्री, मुफ्त में. ठीक है, समझ गए ना? हाँ, ओवर.
And but we need some infrastructure for that. So contributing to that initiative will be something very good. It will be we will be very happy if you do that. So if you want to join us in that initiative of teaching self-defense to girls, it is called as Namo Shakti. Contribute on Namo Shakti. The link is given for that also. And ये वीडियो अगर आपको पसंद आया तो इसमें आपको लाइक करना है, और क्या क्या करना होता है, सब्सक्राइब करना है अगर आप सब्सक्राइब नहीं करे हुए तो, और वो घंटा भी बजाना है ऐसे टांग.